Is your Sony Smart TV giving sound but no picture? You can hear the audio but the screen is completely black? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix the Sony TV sound but no picture problem. Let's fix it together. Step 1. Restart your TV. First, restart your Sony TV. Turn it off using the power button and unplug it from the power socket. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Many times, a simple restart can fix display issues. Step 2. Check HDMI and cable connections. Next, check the HDMI cables and input sources. A loose or damaged cable can cause a black screen while the sound still works. Make sure the HDMI port is working properly and the cable is connected tightly. If possible, try using a new HDMI cable to test. Step 3. Perform a picture test. Now, run a picture test on your TV. Press the Home button on the remote, go to Settings Display and Picture Test. If the test shows an image, the issue is with the settings, not the hardware. In that case, reset your picture settings and adjust brightness and contrast. Step 4. Factory reset your TV. If the problem is still not solved, try a factory reset. On the remote, go to Home Settings Device Preferences Reset Factory Data Reset. This will bring your TV back to default settings, and it often fixes picture issues. Step 5. Hardware check/contact support. If there's still sound but no picture even after the reset, then the issue may be with the backlight or TV panel. In that case, contact Sony customer support or get help from a certified technician. So friends, these were the quick and simple solutions for the Sony TV sound but no picture problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.